Welcome back to the SAS News Desk. Let us now go to Mr. Umar Kazi for more details. Umar, can you tell us more about the achievements of the Augustinians in the academic year 2013-14?
Yes, Gargi. You see, in the academic year 2013-14, 10 students won the gold medal in the 16th National Science Olympiad, 7 students won the silver medal, and 7 students won the bronze medal. In the 7th International Mathematics Olympiad, the gold medal was bagged by 7 students, the silver medal by 6 students, and bronze by 6 students. In the 4th International English Olympiad, 4 Augustinians won the gold medal, 1 student bagged the silver medal, and 2 students won the bronze medal. With the encouragement and guidance of the school, many Augustinians participated in the Manthan Talent Search Examination, the Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik Competition, the National Level Science Talent Search Examination, and the Hindi Rashtra Bhasha exam. 12 students appeared for the intermediate drawing grade exam and 36 for the elementary drawing grade exam, with Miss Khandare Yashashri Vilas obtaining an A grade. Miss Noinika Agarkar and Master Om Survase won accolades for the school as the first and second runner-ups respectively in the National SIP Abacus competition.
That was Mr. Umar Kazi with camera person Ashish. We now have our reporter Ms. Shivani with the news about the academic year 2014-15.
Academic year 2014-15 proved to be even more triumphant for St. Augustine English School as 8 students won the gold medal for 17th National Science Olympiad. 8 students won the silver medal and 8 students won the bronze medal. In the 8th International Mathematics Olympiad, the gold medal was bagged by 8 students, the silver medal by 6 students, and bronze by 6 students. In the 5th International English Olympiad, 6 students clinched the gold medal, 1 student bagged the silver medal, and 1 student won the bronze medal. 45 students appeared in the Reservista exam. 38 students participated in the National Talent Search Examination. 7 students appeared in the National Level Science Talent Search Examination. 8 students appeared in the Intermediate Drawing Grade exam and 16 for the Elementary Drawing Grade exam. 7 students competed in the Manthan Talent Search Examination. 25 students participated in the Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik Competition, which was organized by the Mumbai Science Teachers Association. The duo of sensational sisters, Miss Manashri Sontake and Miss Prunmai Sontake, were meritorious and were selected for the second level practical exam which was held in Pune. Miss Noinika Agarkar once again made the school and her parents proud as the National Zip Abacus competition first runner-up. Miss Manal Manzoor and Miss Manahil Manzoor brought laurels to the school with their wonderful performances in the Gamma Abacus competition. Miss Manal Manzoor bagged the first prize in the state-level Gamma Abacus competition in 2013-14 and 2014-15, while Miss Manahil Manzoor clinched the first prize in the state-level Gamma Abacus competition in 2013-14 and third prize in 2014-15. Miss Shivani Thakur with camera person Ashish from SS Campus.
Thank you, Shivani. With the news about the academic achievements of 2015-16, we have Mr. Varadraj.
The academic year 2015-16 too was started with the spectacular achievements of the Augustinians. 10 students won the gold medal in the 18th National Science Olympiad. 9 students won the silver medal and 10 students won the bronze medal. In the 9th International Mathematics Olympiad, the gold medal was bagged by 10 students, the silver medal by 8 students and bronze by 8 students. The 6th International English Olympiad saw 10 students winning the gold medal. 6 students bagged the silver medal and 6 students won the bronze medal. In the Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik competition organized by the Mumbai Science Teachers Association, 2 of our students, Master Kulkarni Aditya Santosh Kumar and Master Survase Om Raju, were meritorious and were selected for the second level practical exam which was held in Mumbai. The Cyber Genius exam, the dynamic duo Master Borle Ayush and Master Kulkarni Aditya won the first rank in Maharashtra for robotics, and the talented team of Master Chaudhary Aditya and Master Jain Rajvardhan won the first rank in robotics best design category. Many Augustinians appeared for the national level science talent search examination, the Resso Vista exam, the National Talent Search Examination and the Maharashtra Talent Search Examination. 40 students appeared for the elementary drawing grade exam, 13 for the intermediate drawing grade exam, with Miss Selsulekha Jui Sanjay obtaining the A grade. Yet another feather was added in our cap as Miss Agarkar Noinika was declared the national champion at the National SIP Abacus Championships in Delhi. This is Varadraj with camera person Ashu from SAS campus.
Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of a dynamic and creative intellectual activity. The relationship between the soundness of the body and the activities of the mind is subtle and complex. Much is not yet understood, but we do know what the Greeks knew, that intelligence and skill can only function when the body is healthy and strong. The school encourages students to participate in various inter-school sports competitions organized by the district sports office and other organizations. Our SAS sports correspondents Mr. Adnan and Mr. Mujtaba will now inform us about the sports activities of the past 3 years.
During the academic year 2013-14, Master Jain Gagan Prakash won the bronze medal in the Maharashtra State Ice Hockey Championship and the gold medal at the 17th State Roller Skating Championship. Master Alankar Arpan Narayan Rao, Master Kali Abhishek and Master Pratik Khandagle brought honor to the school by competing in the 8th Kumar Kumari Maharashtra State Fencing Championship. Miss Bhumika Dhananjay Ballal and Master Jain Gagan Prakash brought honor to the school by bagging silver medals in the Fencing School State Championship during the academic year 2014-15. Master Khan Muhammad Azam Khan Mujahid participated in the school state level taekwondo competition and school state level shooting competition in 2014-15. Master Kani Krishna Anil Rao, Master Banmeru Aish Prakash and Master Chawla Ishan Rajesh participated in the state level fencing competition. Master Khan Osama Khan Yusuf Khan participated in the first junior Maharashtra State Boys and Girls Football Championship, and Miss Selsulekha Raishwarya Sanjay participated in the fencing school state championship. Over to you, Mujtaba, for further sports news.
The enthusiastic Augustinians were filled with great vigor and vitality during the academic year 2015-16 and participated in several sports championships organized by various sporting associations and the government. Our fencers made us proud yet again by winning laurels in the school state fencing championship, with Master Kulkarni Aditya bagging the gold medal and Miss Agarkar Noinika, Miss Khan Faiza and Miss Farooqi Sabah clinching the bronze medals. The 18th Sub-Junior Fencing Championship saw the participation of Master Chaudhary Aditya, Master Kulkarni Aditya, Master Jogdan Harsh, Master Watane Samad and Master Jadhav Ruturaj. Master Khan Muhammad Azam Khan, Master Deshmukh Vedant, Master Dampurikar Nilesh, Master Shirale Ganesh and Master Shinde Saurabh brought honor to the school by participating in the 23rd Junior Maharashtra Fencing Championship. Miss Selsulekha Raishwarya participated in the 12th Cadet Maharashtra State Fencing Championship. Master Chaudhary Aditya, Master Kulkarni Aditya and Master Watane Samad participated in the 9th Kumar Kumari State Fencing Championship. Master Sarwari Muhammad Khaja Yasin participated in the Junior State Football Championship. Master Sayyid Saim, Master Tekale Prano, Master Kadam Abhay and Master Nagula Harshwardhan participated in the first Chess Skating Championship. Miss Bhargavi Javalgaonkar obtained the Certificate of Merit at the All India Multilingual Drama, Dance, Music Contest, and Master Dahale Prano bagged the silver medal at the 12th State Taekwondo Championship. Our versatile Augustinian, Miss Noinika Agarkar, was the winner of the Super Girl and Super Mom Dance competition organized by Expression Dance Studio and was selected for the semi-finals of the All Maharashtra Bollywood Dance Championship. She also bagged the gold medal at the state level Sport Dance Championship. Our under-14 boys cricket team and under-14 boys football team competed at the divisional level. During the academic year 2013-14, 2014-15 and 2015-16, 120 Augustinians participated in various district level matches and DSO tournaments, and 80 students were selected for the divisional level matches. Sports Day was organized in school on 18 November 2014. That's all for the sports.
Truly remarkable achievements indeed. A big thank you to all the reporters covering the news live from the scenes of action. To conclude the report, we have 3 students of SAS, Vaishnavi, Siddesh and Indrani, live in the studio to share their thoughts about the beloved school with us.
With that, we have reached the end of the SAS News Report. Thank you for staying with us till the end. I'm Gracie
And I'm Gargi, thanking you for your time, this time, until next time. Good night.